Okay, so today we're going to be installing gene buttons, 4 different types of gene buttons with our TEP-1 fastener attaching machine. We have gene buttons with rhinestones, our normal or just plain tack buttons. We have movable head, and we have ones with the center hole. Okay, now I'm going to start right here from my right to left. This is the rhinestone. So the first thing I have to do is you have to loosen up this hex screw so you can release the bottom adapter. You can place that to the side. You grab your bottom die, place it there. You take your top die. This is the correct one. Now you should tighten this up, but for these examples, I'm not going to be doing that just to save some time. All right, so go ahead and you should also place the tack before you place the gene button, but that's fine. All right, so I'm going to be installing it into 4 layers of kind of like denim-y material. Alright, so this is going to be the first one. I'm going to line them up all side by side so you guys can see them. There you go. That's the first one. Give me a couple moments and I'm going to install all 4 of them very quickly. So this is the top die for the plain button.
Tack button.
Yeah, the regular plain tack button. Okay, you take the button, you place it right up there, same as before. You take your pin, drop it right in there, and then there it is. Now I'm going to do the movable head, which is the coolest. Take this top portion off, insert the bottom one, place a tack, and I'm going to place the gene button up top, material, that's that one, and now I'm going to do the last one, just the center hole, same top die, same bottom die. And place your tack there. Material. Now you should bench mount your machine, but today I'm just going to be doing like this. So these are the movable heads. That's your rhinestone, your plain one there, that's your typical one. Your center hole, and this is the movable one.